Boo! So for the last couple of weeks, I've been trying to get Boo to eat pellets instead of seed, and it's proving quite difficult because he's 2 years eating seed. So we bought this. This is Harrison's Bird Foods. It's super fine, and it looks like it's very small pellets. They almost look like seeds. So what we've been doing, you can see that, we've been mixing it in with his bird seed gradually, putting more and more and more in, just to see if we can get him to eat some of it, because apparently it's very good for him. Did a bit of research. This is one of the better ones on the market that you can buy, so we thought we'd give that a try and see how he gets on. So here we go. Let's try him on some pellets. What do you think? Hey, what do you think? You can see how small they are. He's giving them a bit of a go. What do you think? What did you think? Did you like them? Hello? What are you going to do now? We'll put these back in his bowl and mix them in with his other seeds for a bit later. Do you want any more? Or you do? Go on then. There's an angle so that you can see what he's up to. As I say, they're very, very small. They almost look like little seeds. All right then, bye.